Ladies and gentlemen, we ask that you please take your seats at this time as the program will begin momentarily.
When you work in research, be it in industry, at an independent research institute or in academia, you will undoubtedly be confronted with having to write a research plan to justify your research or to obtain funding. Even if you carry out research independently, having a research plan is a really good idea. Why? Because it helps you to structure your thoughts, draw clear boundaries, and create the scaffolding of your research. As with many things, having a good research plan means well begun is half done. What's the purpose of a research plan? A research plan can have multiple purposes, but in most cases a research plan is written for the purpose of getting approval and/or funding to carry out your research. As not getting approval would mean that your research doesn't go ahead, it is important that you persuade your reader, be it the funding agency, your institution, or your supervisor, that your project is worth pursuing. This means that on a higher order level, your research plan must be relevant, have a solid scientific foundation, a well thought out structured approach in terms of methodology, and that your project is feasible within the boundaries that you have, such as available expertise, equipment, manpower and funding. In this video, I will discuss the generic structure of a research proposal. Some of the things mentioned may seem obvious, but you'd be amazed to see how often people forget to pay attention to these. Note, my advice here is generic. Do pay attention to specific formatting instructions you may have to adhere to from your specific institute or funding agencies. A typical research plan consists of the following elements: a title page with an abstract, an introduction, a literature review, a research objective and research questions, research design and methods, a results and outcomes section, a planning and sometimes a budget. Of course, some concluding remarks and a reference list. Note that a reference list can sometimes be followed by appendices containing detailed schedules and budgets. A typical research plan can vary from a few pages to quite a large document depending on requirements, but a basic research plan really shouldn't exceed 10 pages excluding references. It's a fine balance between keeping it short and sweet and having sufficient content to persuade someone to approve your plan.